Hello everybody! Today it's going to be a different video from the normal that I do about traveling and positivity into life. And today it's going to be in the kitchen with my grandma. We're going to cook a pie. It's going to be a snack. This pie, normally I use it for my camping, and I also take it as a snack on the flight when I'll be traveling. So check out this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like my Facebook page and follow on Instagram. The links are in the description below. So today with my grandma we're going to cook
a corned beef pie.
Here are the things I need.
This is the onions. I already chopped them for when I fry them. I've got the peas. These are the peas. And here is the corned beef. And I've got some tomato paste for tasting. And some olive oil to fry the onions.
Salt and pepper and mixed spice.
Here is the flour for when I do the pastry. And of course, I have the pastry here. The pastry had to be a short crust for the pie. Now I'm going to fry the onion. I'm putting a bit of olive oil. Cooking the onions until it goes brown. Stir it that it won't stick.
I've put the corned beef now. I leave it a few minutes, about 2 minutes enough. Because corned beef, not like when you do it with mincemeat. I prefer it with corned beef meal. And then after I put the tomato paste and the spice. So now I'm putting the peas. Salt. And pepper for taste. Now it's done. I let it cool now. Meanwhile, I start doing the pastry. Spraying the dish that it won't stick. Some flour. I open the pastry.
and we put it in the dish so it will be the base of the pie. So now she's putting the filling, delicious filling of corned beef, onions and peas and the spices in the dish, and then she will cover it with the top of the pastry.
I'm putting some holes for the air, that the air goes out. And I cut the rest of the... And the pie is done. Now I put it in the oven.
And then we cook it in the oven for about an hour until it's golden. The corned beef pie is ready that my grandma did today. This kind of pie, I also take it with me on campings. It will be prepared from home, and I also take it as a snack on the flight for the journey to keep myself eating something. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it and enjoyed watching my grandma cooking. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like my Facebook page and follow on Instagram. The links are all in the description below. Now I'm going to eat this delicious corned beef pie with my grandma.
Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you for watching and see you next week. Ciao, ciao.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.